Yo, Americans! Hello and welcome to the Galactic Racing Championships, episode 18. Off and racing. With Lewa pulling into an early lead. Someone lets off a dog. And there goes Lewa across the bridge into the ice maze. Of course, Lewa has in fact had a couple of practice laps already. There he goes, I think. Someone's through the pits. Lewa not going through the pits. Along through the wide curve. Over the bridge. Ice bridge, yes. Across the line into lap 2 now. And past the ice lake. There's someone letting off a disc over the ice bridge. Who's that? Lewa over the bridge again. And someone else letting off a dog. Someone else letting off electrical bomb. Lewa coming out of that maze. Someone letting off electrical bomb, following him very closely. Yes. Yes. Lewa over the ice bridge again. And across the line again. Into lap 3. Past the ice lake. Over the bridge. Into the ice maze. But gotta be careful not to get hit by that electrical bomb there. That's someone else, not Lewa, driving through there. There's Lewa. And he's speeding along through the puddles. Around the great big curve. Yes. Finish a respectable second.